toy. You think it's a toy? You think
Could be a
that's all
toy.
little boys get is toys?
Ooh, what is that, buddy?
Is that a book?
Is it penguins?
Penguin.
Yeah.
Okay. Take that paper. Throw it over there. Okay, you gonna open that one?
Who's that from, though? Read who it's from.
Let's see. It's from To Colton. It doesn't say. Well, that's not from us.
It's either from Till or your mom.
I don't know how we're supposed to tell. That's from Teal. She told me she was going to get this. Oh boy, what is that? The Lion King.
Good.
Wow. Is that a movie?
What do you say? Say thank you.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you,
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Aunt Teal?
Teal.
Say Aunt? You said Teal?
Teal.
Okay.
There's more from them. We can open more of those.
Okay.
Here we go, buddy.
Here, I'll film you. Hand them to him.
Let's see. Yeah, I think the kitten ripped all the tags off of everything.
Uh-huh.
Cold.
Why?
Look, is this from your Aunt Teal and your cousins? Huh? Ooh. What is it? It's heavy, yeah?
My goodness.
Ooh.
What does that
Look at
say?
that. That's a nice book, huh? What's that?
Fair.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Bedtime stories.
Bedtime Stories.
Ooh.
Oh,
What's that?
pretty pictures.
Turtle.
Two.
What's that?
Rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit.
Little boys.
Oh, what's that?
Pig.
Uh-huh.
Tea.
Chicken.
Nip.
Nix.
It's
You looking
Nix.
for Nix? Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
What's that?
Moo.
Hey.
Oh, okay.
Moo, cow, or the cat?
What's that?
It's a moo cat.
Bear.
Yeah. We'll read this later, won't we?
Very nice. Look at those bears.
No.
You want to
No.
see something else? The rabbit.
No.
Done?
Done.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good boy.